Alright, what up? So today we're going to be making a Young Slobe type beat with a loop provided by Jordy. Shout out Jordy, always providing fire. This is the loop we're going to be using. Alright, so we'll go ahead and throw in some of the drums real quick. Other sound effects or some other perks to sauce up the beat. We'll start with the sizzle. And then usually with the sizzle, what I like to do is I like to pan it. Go to channel panning, and you basically just set it to the middle, right? So let's say this is the middle. Cool. If you want to make it go left to right or right from left, you simply just drag your right cursor and create like a little waveform. Alright, so we'll go ahead and continue. So next we're going to add in some animal effects and some lasers.